Hey, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my favorite purchases from Poshmark and Mercari. If you don't know what those names are, they are sites for reselling your items that you want or buying them, which in this case, that's what I did. I've been on Poshmark and Mercari for, I started Poshmark in February and then Mercari a couple months later, so within this year. And you'll see, I'll post how much each thing costs, and you'll see in Mercari that I literally haven't paid for anything, because by the time I joined Mercari, I was just using my sales that I made from Mercari just to buy things that I wanted. So in essence, they were pretty much free. With Poshmark, I was buying things and also selling kind of simultaneously. So they are great sites for getting things that are sometimes new or gently used and much cheaper. So I absolutely love it. I barely shop in the stores anymore because I like to use these websites instead, and they pretty much have almost anything. I'll do another video explaining the differences of being a seller and how that works, but this is just strictly showing you what I got that I absolutely love. So stay tuned and enjoy. So first up is this iconic t-shirt that's from Pretty Little Thing. I'm not gonna lie, I'd never even heard of that brand before, but I really love this t-shirt. I got this gold sparkly crop top sweater for really cheap, only $7, and it actually was really good quality. These are just some basic black leggings, but they're butter soft and I absolutely love them. I wear them all the time. This is my all-time favorite purchase. It is a navy faux fur cropped coat. I love it. It's so warm. It was great quality, totally affordable, and you don't even have to dress it up too much. It is literally a statement piece of its own. These are some red lace-up rain boots that I absolutely love. This was my very first purchase and I happily spent $25 on it. These are basic white sneakers that have like a memory foam on the inside. They're a little bit dirty obviously now, but I really like that they're super easy to clean. Another major favorite of mine, hence the video, are these metallic Nike Air Max shoes. These are normally like over $100 and I was able to get them for 50 something on Poshmark. Moving over to my Mercari purchases, these are some basic gray leggings that were only $7 and they are squat proof and sweat proof, which is exactly what I was looking for. I know I keep saying I love everything, but I really love this romper that I got. It's from American Apparel, and again, it was $15, but with my credit, it was free. Don't mind the wrinkles, but I just love it. It's strapless, it has pockets, and it's really comfortable. These are some cute flashy leggings that I got. I just didn't feel like trying them on. I also got this really cute makeup bag that has a matching tote that comes with it, and I just really like the quote that's on it as well. Who doesn't need a planner? Again, there's so many things on Mercari. This was only $6 and it's a great planner. I'm always so excited when I can find my favorite Korean products like this makeup remover. Alright, so those are some of my favorite purchases that I absolutely love from both Mercari and Poshmark. I definitely recommend checking out these sites if you want to save a little money for purchasing items, or if you're looking to sell some of your stuff and make some extra cash. Highly recommend. The links will be below if you're interested in trying it out. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will check you in the next one.